Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and in this video I want to talk about how to execute parallel tasks in C# and how to be sure all the tasks has finished. For this purpose, we can use Task.WhenAll. But first, let me explain what is it and how it works. Task.WhenAll is a static method that is used when we want to do some operation in multiple tasks and we need to know that all the operations has done successfully, and after that we want to do some other operations. This task.WhenAll creates a single task that will done when all the tasks we pass through it will done successfully. If we throw an exception on one of these methods or several of them, we also get exception in task.WhenAll, and the exception type will be aggregate exception and contains inner exception that is for each operation on it. So if we get 3 exception on 3 of these methods, we will get 3 inner exception on the aggregate exception that we receive. So yes, that was the explanation of how it works. So let's go and watch it on the code example. We can do the execution of this parallel operation by 2 ways. First way, we call this method and using await before it, so we get the result. And the second way is using task.WhenAll and passing all the tasks through the task.WhenAll. How we can create the tasks? When we call the method and do not use the await, we get a task. After we creating all the tasks and passing them through the task.WhenAll, we getting the result, and then we can do another task. Yes, it was all about the task.WhenAll, and I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please like the video, share the channel with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video. Until another video, be peaceful.